Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the engine oil filter and air filter on Audi A4 B8 2 liters TDI. This is the engine, and first we're going to remove the engine cover, and after we remove the engine cover I'll show you the location of the oil filter. First we're going to loosen the oil filler cap. Next I'll show you the location of the oil filter. The oil filter is located right there. To remove the oil filter I'm going to use socket size 32 and the longer extension, and I'm going to loosen it and then take it out. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. When you're taking out the oil filter, make sure you get a cloth somewhere there so that you can catch some of the oil that's going to spill, and that's the oil filter out. Next we're going to drain the oil. To drain the oil we need to get access to the oil drain plug. In order to do that we need to remove the engine under tray. Now we have access to the oil drain plug. The oil drain plug is right there. Now I'm going to loosen the oil drain plug. It's socket size 19. Once I loosen it, you get something to have take all the oil, and just remove the drain plug and the oil will drain. That's all the oil drained, so now I'm going to put on the drain plug and tighten it. Next I'll show you the filling capacity and the tightening torques for this engine in the service manual. Filling capacity is 5 liters. Some drain bolt tightening torque is 30 Newton meters, oil filter 25 Newton meters. And on this side I'll show you the engine oil grade for this car is 5W30 and classification is VW507. Next we need to put on the new oil filter. I forgot to film that, but it's done very easily, and afterwards we can fuel the engine with oil. This is the oil that I'm using, Castrol Edge 5W30. Since the engine's capacity is 5 liters, I'm going to put about 4.8 liters in the engine, and then I'm going to start the car, and after I wait for a couple of minutes for it to cool down, then I'm going to check on the dipstick the level of the oil, and I'm going to add as necessary. Now I'm going to put on the oil filler cap and I'll show you where the oil level dipstick is. So the oil dipstick is located right there. Like I said, before checking the level on the dipstick, first start the car so that it can fill the oil filter and then it will show you the right measurement. Next we're going to replace the air filter. This is the air filter right there. It's held by a couple of bolts that we need to loosen. We also need to remove that air intake hose. First loosen the clamp, because there is one bolt for the air filter housing that's just underneath this air filter hose. And now that all the bolts are removed, we can lift up the air filter cover and take out the air filter and replace it with a new one. This is the new air filter and that's the part number for it. We're going to put on the new air filter in its place, put on the air filter cover and tighten the bolts. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.